right, if you've been watching our channel, you know that we're basically in the US Southeast right now. We're moving a little further into the South. As we travel around, one of the things we noticed is that each region has its own take on barbecue, the different ways of smoking, and of course, the sauce. And now, we're in Alabama. There's something really unique about their sauce here.
In Alabama, the sauce is white.
We're at Big Bob Gibson Bar-B-Q, and he's the originator of white barbecue sauce. So the big question was, what do we put the sauce on? Because I wanted mac and cheese and baked beans, so I made Steven get fries. Go. It's good. It's a little hard to tell because I think the fries are seasoned, but it's definitely heavy on the mayo, but a nice balance of vinegar as well, so it's got some tang to it. It's good.
Here we go. Not bad. I would eat this.
For more from Alabama, be sure to check out last week's vlog when we went to Muscle Shoals and saw the famous recording studio. And then tune in again this Friday when we visit Tupelo, Mississippi, the birthplace of Elvis Presley.